feeling low on energy or struggling with performance? Nitric Boost might be the solution you need. This natural supplement enhances blood flow, supports healthy erections, and boosts stamina, helping you feel more energized and confident. Ready to unlock your full potential? Keep watching to learn more. What is Nitric Boost? Nitric Boost is a cutting-edge, scientifically formulated supplement designed to naturally elevate the levels of nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide is a vital molecule that plays an essential role in regulating blood flow and circulation throughout the body. It achieves this by relaxing and expanding the blood vessels, a process known as vasodilation. When blood vessels widen, the flow of oxygen-rich blood to various parts of the body improves, which not only supports overall cardiovascular health, but also enhances physical performance, stamina, and energy. The primary function of nitric oxide in Nitric Boost is to facilitate this process of blood vessel expansion. By enhancing circulation, nitric oxide helps provide better oxygenation and nutrient delivery to tissues throughout the body. As a result, the benefits are extensive, ranging from improved sexual performance, stronger and longer-lasting erections, to a boost in endurance and physical energy. Additionally, the increased blood flow positively impacts mental clarity and focus, making Nitric Boost not just a performance-enhancing supplement, but a holistic health booster. By naturally supporting your body's nitric oxide production, Nitric Boost leverages your body's inherent processes to optimize function. This creates a safer, more sustainable way to enhance performance, compared to relying on temporary fixes or synthetic solutions. How does Nitric Boost work? The core of Nitric Boost's effectiveness is its ability to naturally increase nitric oxide production in your body. Nitric oxide is a powerful molecule that helps blood vessels relax and expand, which significantly improves blood flow throughout the body. This process is essential for optimal sexual function as it directly impacts your ability to achieve and maintain a firm, long-lasting erection. Nitric Boost works by stimulating the body's natural production of nitric oxide through a carefully crafted blend of ingredients, such as beetroot powder, L-arginine, and L-citrulline. These ingredients are well known for their role in promoting blood flow and supporting cardiovascular health, creating a smooth and effective process that benefits both mental and physical well-being. As the body experiences improved circulation, the benefits extend beyond just sexual performance. Enhanced blood flow ensures that oxygen and essential nutrients are efficiently delivered to the brain, boosting cognitive function and mental clarity. This means better focus, sharper thinking, and an overall improvement in mental energy. With regular use, Nitric Boost helps elevate both physical and mental vitality, giving you the stamina and mental clarity needed to power through your day. The ingredients that make Nitric Boost so effective. Nitric Boost stands out due to its carefully selected ingredients, each chosen for its ability to enhance nitric oxide production and improve overall health. These ingredients work synergistically to deliver powerful results, improving both physical performance and mental well-being. One of the key ingredients in Nitric Boost is beetroot powder, which is rich in nitrates. Nitrates are naturally converted into nitric oxide in the body, improving blood flow and circulation. This leads to better overall cardiovascular health and enhances sexual performance by supporting healthy blood flow to critical areas. Another important ingredient is horny goat weed, a herb used in traditional medicine for centuries to enhance sexual health. It contains icariin, a compound shown to boost libido and improve erectile function. This ingredient adds an extra layer of support for sexual performance, making Nitric Boost a more effective solution for those seeking improved vitality. Dong quai is also included for its compounds that support blood flow, particularly in the pelvic region, which is essential for erectile function. Alongside this, ginkgo biloba contributes its antioxidant properties to protect blood vessels and reduce inflammation, both of which enhance circulation and promote erectile health. Ginkgo biloba's ability to improve vascular health makes it a powerful addition to Nitric Boost. In addition to these ingredients, L-arginine and L-citrulline are amino acids that play a direct role in nitric oxide production. L-arginine helps relax blood vessels, leading to better circulation, while L-citrulline boosts energy levels and stamina. Together, they support enhanced physical performance and the endurance needed for better sexual health and overall vitality. D-aspartic acid, another key component, helps increase testosterone and luteinizing hormone levels, which are essential for enhancing sexual drive and overall reproductive health. Lastly, niacin-nadamine B3 plays an important role in improving blood circulation by dilating blood vessels, further supporting erectile function and overall vascular health. These ingredients work in harmony to create a formula that not only boosts blood flow, but also supports overall well-being, ensuring you feel energized, mentally sharp, and sexually confident. The benefits of Nitric Boost. By incorporating Nitric Boost into your daily routine, you can unlock a variety of benefits that improve your overall health and vitality. Perhaps the most notable benefit is its ability to improve sexual performance. With enhanced blood flow and nitric oxide levels, Nitric Boost helps you maintain stronger, longer-lasting erections. This improvement in erectile function can lead to greater confidence in the bedroom and a more satisfying intimate life. Beyond sexual health, Nitric Boost is designed to increase energy and stamina. With its ability to enhance circulation and promote energy production, the supplement helps you feel more energized throughout the day. Whether you're engaging in physical activity or need a boost during the day, Nitric Boost provides the stamina you need to keep going strong. The improvement in circulation also has significant benefits for your brain. Increased blood flow to the brain delivers more oxygen, improving mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function. This boost in brain health allows you to stay sharp, focused, and productive throughout the day. Why choose Nitric Boost? There are numerous supplements available that claim to support sexual health and overall well-being, but what sets Nitric Boost apart is its scientifically backed formula and high-quality ingredients. Each component of Nitric Boost is carefully selected for its ability to boost nitric oxide production, promote healthy blood circulation, and support mental and physical energy. Unlike many other supplements, Nitric Boost is made from natural ingredients, free from harmful additives, preservatives, and artificial chemicals. The formula is vegan, dairy-free, and non-GMO, ensuring that it is a safe and healthy choice for anyone looking to improve their health. Furthermore, Nitric Boost is manufactured in the USA at a GMP-certified facility, ensuring the highest standards of quality and purity. One of the standout features of Nitric Boost is its 100% satisfaction guarantee. If, for any reason, you are not satisfied with the product, the company offers a 60-day money-back guarantee with no questions asked. This means you can try the supplement risk-free, knowing that if it doesn't meet your expectations, you can get your money back. Real users, real results. The positive feedback from Nitric Boost users speaks for itself. Many individuals have experienced life-changing results after incorporating this supplement into their daily routine. Steve W. from Phoenix, Arizona, shared his experience, stating that my wife has never been more satisfied, and our intimacy has reached new heights. Similarly, David S. from Houston, Texas, expressed that Nitric Boost rekindled the spark in my marriage. We've never been happier. Michael H. from Tampa, Florida, also shared his transformation. I can hardly believe the incredible transformation since I started taking Nitric Boost. My erections are stronger than ever, and I've discovered a confidence I never knew I had. Ready to unlock your potential with Nitric Boost? Hit like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.
Also, make sure to check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.